Hi, welcome back. This is Param. Okay, in this episode, we will see what are the managed Kubernetes cluster task or benefit. Okay, so there is we can set up the Kubernetes cluster on-premise, okay, or any Google public cloud, okay, but still there is a SaaS product, sorry, PaaS products are there. For example, in the Google Cloud platforms, there is a GKE, okay, Google Kubernetes Engine. Similarly, AWS, similarly Azure, okay. Each public cloud has their own PaaS product, platform as a service product, okay. So they are providing Kubernetes cluster with a couple of clicks, okay. Once the Kubernetes cluster is ready, yes, we are going to create many runtime objects and we are going to deploy our applications. But before that, the Kubernetes cluster has to be created and given to the developer or user of Kubernetes, right? The user of Kubernetes, he going to create all the runtime object. But Kubernetes cluster has to be created before to that purpose. Okay, so there is we can start from the scratch to install the Kubernetes cluster of on-premise virtual machines or on-premise machines or couple of virtual machines within the any public cloud. There are several ways. So instead who going to manage the cluster? Okay, either ourselves going to manage the Kubernetes cluster, or we are going to create the cluster in any managed environment like GKE. Okay, that is what. Now we understand like there are different places are possible or mode of operation to have the Kubernetes cluster. In case if you are going to use managed cluster, what are the benefit? Okay, so very simple. If it is clusters set up and completed by ourselves, we have to do a lot of low-level tasks. Okay, but if it is managed environment, we no need to do all of these low-level tasks. Okay, I assume that now you are going to have your Kubernetes cluster in GKE. So what are the benefits you will get with respect to control plane node and worker node? Usually, Kubernetes clusters can be production cluster or development test cluster. So development cluster will have a single node is enough. Okay, for a production, obviously we will have multi-node clusters. Okay, so that is very important information. In case if you are going to use control plane node, you can see these are the benefit. These are the task is automatically managed by the managed environment. Or if for example GKE. So deployment tools, kubeadmin, kobs, kubespace, it's provided by the managed clusters. Again, managed certificates. So it's obvious, right? For each node, communication, other security purpose certification, okay, has to be installed. Then load balancer. Yes, if it is a public cloud, load balancer automatically given. Okay, so it's very easy. I have done. Okay, so load balancer, one of the public load balancer will be cloud load balancer. So it is very easy to test. Okay, jump in. Similarly, separate backup. Okay, in fact, for etcd, they do take backup of etcd very often. Okay, and create multiple control plane systems. Yes, at least minimum 3 or 4. Usually 3 is enough. Span multiple zone. Yes, if it is managed control plane, our Kubernetes cluster may be span more than one zone. So couple of worker node in US, a couple of node in Asia Pacific, something like that. Manage ongoing features. Okay, so whatever is coming. Okay, so any new features. Okay, everything management of those things very easy. Okay, so these are the different tasks done by automatically in the managed Kubernetes cluster, that is GKE. Okay, similarly worker node. The worker node, let's say configure the node, validation of a node, add a node to the cluster. Okay, scale node, adding one more nodes. Okay, setup healthy check. In fact, all the nodes are working are fine. Is there enough resources, all the stuff. okay, pod, service and proxy. Okay, so in fact pod, it can be shared ports, storage, co-location, co-schedule. In fact, I don't know that exactly co-schedule. Co-location is very simple. Two things will be same location. Okay, okay, two pod will be in the same location. So these are the different tasks. Okay, these are the different tasks done in the worker node automatically by the Kubernetes managed Kubernetes cluster or managed Kubernetes environment, something like that. Okay, or like GKE. Okay, these are the benefit. Again, integration with others, it's very easy. Okay, storage, LDAP, it's all very straightforward. It's taken care by the managed environment. So these are the benefit. These are the benefit. At the level of component of any Kubernetes clusters. Otherwise, we have to take, if it is Kubernetes cluster created and managed by ourselves, then we have to take care of all of these tasks. So again resources has to be there deployed, and management task is time consuming, error prone, all the stuff, all the things are possible. But if it is managed cluster environment, it's very easy. Thank you. Thanks for watching.